Are you relying solely on your 9-to-5 job to fund your life? I'm James Pelton, and my goal is to help everyday people achieve financial freedom. I want to show you the process that I use to cover my bills with passive income so that I can spend my days basically doing what I want to do. Cost of living around the world has gone crazy here over the past few years. Securian says that the cost of living has gone up almost $12,000 per family since 2021. So that's only 3 years ago. That's $1,000 extra per month. And we already had people that were living paycheck to paycheck, and now you need an extra $1,000 a month to make the bills work. NerdWallet has an article where they talk about how the cost of eating out has gone up 4% just in the last year. Comment down below your experience. Has your cost of living gone up here in the last few years? From most people I talk to, it's gone crazy. So when people think about side hustles and passive income, a lot of times people think, oh wow, that's risky. My 9-to-5 job, that's secure. But these side hustles, these passive income investments that you're talking about, those are risky. But I actually think it's the opposite. I think relying solely on your 9-to-5 job as your only source of income, I think that is risky. First, you can lose your job. I have a lot of people who think I'm secure, I have a W-2 job, and the next thing you know, they're laid off. Another problem with 9-to-5 jobs is your raises rarely keep up with the cost of living. If cost of living has gone up 10% per year, how many of you, again, leave in the comments down below, how many of you are getting a 10% raise per year? Cost of living going up 10% a year, the average raise is 3% per year, which means you're actually getting paid 7% less each year. Also, with side hustles, passive income, your future is in your control. It's in your hands. Where with the 9-to-5, you're really relying on your boss, the performance of the company. Just hopefully my boss is gracious enough to give me a raise to keep up with cost of living. I want to show you the process I go through to pay my bills with passive income. And again, I love getting multiple income streams. Firstly, for security. If you set up multiple streams of income and then one falls apart, it's okay because you can double down on the other income streams to kind of pick up the slack. But again, if you have one income stream, which is your 9-to-5 job, you lose your job, you're kind of just out of luck. I also love with multiple income streams, there is no cap on passive income. So again, if you're working for a salary, you might get a raise, they might have different bonuses in place, but your earning is going to pretty much be capped by your employer. But when you start working for yourself, creating these other income streams, there is no limit. There is no cap. I talk with people making $100,000 a month in passive income. Then I also love passive income for the time freedom. This is why I got into passive income in the first place. I had asked my boss if I could get off early. They were doing this Frozen. You guys remember the movie Frozen, Let It Go? They were doing a special showing at the theater with characters dressed up, things like that. But it was the middle of a Tuesday afternoon. So I sheepishly go into my boss's office. Hey, can I get off early? And he's a nice guy, but there was work to be done. He said, no, sorry, you can't. So I had to tell at the time my 3-year-old daughter, hey, sorry, no Frozen for you today. 9-to-5 jobs, you're only making money while you work. Passive income, when you get multiple income streams, it's not that way. With passive income, you can make money while you're traveling, while you're at the movie with your daughter. There's nothing more fulfilling than picking up your phone and seeing that you sold an online course while you're in the middle of a movie. Warren Buffett, who's the second most famous person out of Nebraska after James Pelton, of course, he says if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you're going to keep working until you die. So for a lot of people, they look forward to retirement. That's when I'll actually start doing the things in life that I want to do. But again, with the way cost of living is going up, the way Social Security here in the United States looks like it's not going to be around that much longer. I don't expect to be able to get it. But it's looking like for a lot of people in my generation, there's no such thing as retirement. Again, let me know in the comments. Are you on track for retirement ever? And then some people I talk to, yeah, I'm going to be able to retire when I'm 85 or something like that. And in my retirement planning, I'm going to die when I'm 90. So I'll have 5 years to spend with my family, do what I want before I die. So what I want you to do is open up a spreadsheet. Just use a Google Sheet or whatever. And I want you to just write down your monthly expenses. So all of your bills that you have monthly. So it might look something like this. I just got you started here. We'll say in this example, you have $2,600 a month that in bills that you have to spend. But that would be nice, wouldn't it? Only having $2,600 in bills. There's a lot here I didn't put. I mean, clothing, eating out, food, groceries, I mean, phone, there's all sorts of stuff. But what I want you to do is list out all of your monthly expenses. Then I want you to start with the smallest. So in this one, we'll take the water bill. And then what I want you to do is build a passive income stream that covers your water bill. So again, if you're looking for a passive income stream to cover a whole $2,600 a month, well, that's going to be difficult. Okay, that's going to probably take a while to build that. But building a passive income stream that covers $20 a month, that's pretty doable. So we're starting with the water bill. So your goal for month 1 is build a passive income stream that makes you an extra $20 per month. So, and there's a lot of different ways that you can do this. I have many videos talking about different passive income streams. I'll leave links to some of those. But you could do Amazon Kindle direct publishing. You could do a vending machine. You could do an online training course. You could do an affiliate program like Travorium. You could do some crypto stuff. You could use Warbots or BioFi. You could use Turo and rent out your car. You can easily make $20 a month doing that. Airbnb, rent out an extra room. So we'll say for our water bill, we'll say you write an Amazon Kindle direct publishing book. You probably only need 3 or 4 sales a month in order to cover that $20 a month. It really wouldn't be that difficult. So we'll say you get your Amazon Kindle direct publishing book going, you're making $20 a month, and now your water bill is covered each month passively. And I love doing it this way because, again, if you just go for, I want to make $2,600 a month passively, that's a huge endeavor. Okay, that's an elephant of an endeavor that you're going on. But they say, what's the best way to eat an elephant? Well, it's one bite at a time. So you can break it up into these smaller milestones. $20 a month passively is very doable for everyone. And these small milestones will keep you motivated. So then you can kind of just rinse and repeat. So you got your smallest, you got your water bill. Now let's go for our car insurance. So now I want a new income stream that makes $90 per month to cover my insurance. So, and you could just do the Amazon Kindle direct publishing. You could try to expand that to make an extra $70 a month. Again, that would only be another 4 or 5 sales a month. Or you could do a new income stream. You could say, I'm going to do a vending machine route that makes $90 a month. But you just continue this process. Next, you go to your electric bill, and you'll get better at these income streams as time goes on. You know, your first Kindle direct publishing book might make $20 a month, but then you'll see your mistakes. It'll be an easier process. We'll say your second KDB book makes $100 a month, covers your electric bill. So you just continue this process, one bill by one bill, until eventually all of your expenses are covered by passive income. And when you get to that point where all of your monthly expenses are covered by passive income, then congratulations, you're essentially retired. Now you can kind of do what you want. And I will tell you, you can still work, but you don't have to work anymore. That's the difference. I do this with my purchases as well. I'm kind of a cheapskate actually, but for example, my gym membership, it's $30 a month for a gym membership. So I was very hesitant. It's just like, oh, I don't want to pay $30 a month for that. So what you can do is, okay, let me create a new passive income stream that makes $30 a month. Now my gym membership is free. If you want to build a bigger house, let's say your mortgage is currently $2,000 a month. You want to buy a house where it's $2,500 a month. So that's a $500 a month extra cost. Well, instead of just doing it and trying to make it work, find a income stream that can make you $500 a month. And then this house upgrade will be free for you. But the most fulfilling thing that you can do with extra income streams is help other people. So again, there might be a single mom in your community or a single mom that you know who's struggling financially. Most single moms I know are struggling financially. But what you can do, find a single mom, build a passive income stream that makes $200 a month. Then just give to that mom. Say, hey, I'll help take care of you. Or better yet, build this passive income stream, then give it to her. Or even better yet, teach her how to start a passive income stream the way that you did. Jesus says that it makes you happier to give than to receive. So if you create passive income in order to help other people, you are going to have a very blessed life. So if you are watching, which you are, I want you to start taking action on this today. Don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. One of the things that makes me most sad in the financial area is that there's lots of people that talk about finances, but very few people who are taking action to actually improve their financial situation. Proverbs 14:23 says, "All hard work brings profit. Mere talk leads only to poverty." When you just talk about something, you will never see results. That's why I'm not a huge meeting fan. Talking does not achieve. But when you work hard, things will happen. If you talk about wanting to be in shape and, I want to lose 10 pounds, I want to eat healthier, and you just talk about it, you're going to see zero results. It's when you actually decide, I'm willing to put in the hard work to make this happen, that's when you see results. Same thing's true in passive income, in financial freedom. If you just talk about it, nothing will ever happen. But if you work hard at it, you will see results. So let me know in the comments, have you tried extra income sources? What's your favorite income source other than your 9-to-5? So when I'm offering a scholarship to help people in this journey, Nick DeFabio is an Amazon Kindle direct publishing expert. He made $1 million last year in Amazon KDP. Passive income. He has a program where he will help you make $2,000 to $10,000 extra in passive income through Amazon Kindle direct publishing. But this program is $3,000 to be a part of. So what I want to do is pay for you to join his program. So I will put up the $3,000. You agree to do all the hard work and put it out there. It's a partnership, and then we split the profit 50-50. But this could be a great way for you to get started on your journey to passive income. Thank you so much for watching here today. God bless you all. Have a great day.